To begin, place the boot and the soft tail boot onto the cable in that order. Please note the orientations of the boots, as it will be important later in the assembly process. Next, mark the jacket at 5 centimeters. Strip away the jacket at the 5 centimeter mark. Remove the Kevlar at the interface of the jacket. Carefully strip away the tight buffer coating to the interface of the jacket. Strip in small sections to avoid fiber damage until only bare fiber remains. Clean the fiber with the dust-free wipe. Fix the fiber into the cutting jig. Make sure that the end of the outer jacket meets the outer jacket limit. Unlock the cleaver and engage it. Slide the cutting jig into the holder slot of the cleaver. Make sure that the end of the cutting jig meets the clamp pad. Cleave the fiber. Carefully remove the fiber from the jig. Insert the fiber into the base of the connector until the fibers meet inside. You'll feel slight resistance. Push the jacket into the slot at the base of the connector. Remove the opener. We recommend not discarding the opener as you'll need it for removal or retermination. Push the soft tail boot into the end of the connector. Ensure the rectangular wing is orientated upward. Lastly, screw on the boot to complete the assembly.